Hi, in this video for the Xoro 9000 Plus combo receiver, we're basically going to show you how you can do a satellite auto scan to scan in all the free-to-air satellite channels available, okay? So basically what you want to do is, wherever you are in the box, you just press the menu button and it'll come up with this menu here. What you want to do then is you want to arrow over to the installation, and the first thing you want to do is go to satellite list, okay? This one here that's highlighted in yellow. So what you want to do is you want to activate the settings for a particular satellite here. They've called it Eurobird 1, but it's at 28.2 degrees east, which is the one we want. And what you want to do there is, just when you're down to it, just press the OK button and a little heart symbol appears by it, okay? So all you need to do then is simply press the exit button, so it'll just save the data and it'll activate a range of other functions then to do with that satellite. So the next thing you want to do is arrow down to single satellite search, and now Eurobird 1 will be the satellite it's going to search. So you want to make it free to air. You can decide yourself if you want the TV and radio stations. We'll just leave it like that. Network search can be left as its own. Scan mode can be left as it is, and you just arrow down to search and you press OK and start off the search. Now this search may take up to 10 minutes because it has a pile of different transponders to go through, and it's going to pull in maybe well over 300 channels. A lot of them will be duplicates and regional variations, but we have another video in the series showing you how you can sort and arrange them into the order that you want and delete the ones you don't want and stuff like this. What I should add is, if you'll only have to do this if you buy the box unprogrammed from us, okay? I would strongly suggest you buy it programmed, because we'll have all the hard work done, and it is time consuming. Whatever about the scan taking 5 or 10 minutes, the channels will come in a random order and they won't be kind of the way you want, and plus there's a lot of duplicates and regional variations, as I've mentioned already. But the key point where it will save you an awful lot of time is in deleting unwanted ones, arranging them into the order that you want. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this on a box, it can take you a good while to do it, okay? So that's basically why you should buy a pre-program. But if you don't want to buy a pre-program, then you don't mind doing this from scratch, then this is how you do it basically. Now what I should add, when we say that a box is pre-programmed, it's only pre-programmed for the UK channels, okay? The reason that this is because no matter where you are in Ireland, you're still picking up off the same satellite, and we can program it for everybody. But we cannot program the Irish channels, okay? Because there's a ton of different transmitters all around Ireland, and where we are based in Laois here, we really only have access to 2 or 3 of them. So we just can't program them for regions, all over Ireland. So it's unfortunate that way. But we have another video in the series again that shows you how to scan it in on your local transmitter, and again it's very quick and very simple. And once you have that done, you simply move the Irish channels. More than likely you'll want it to the top of your list, and we have another video showing you how you do this. So you'll have them in the position 1 to 8, and then you'll start with your BBCs, ITVs and things like this, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to kill the video here. This might take another 5 or 6 minutes to do, so there'll be an awful lot of dead air. So basically when you get to the list, it'll just more or less ask you, do you want to save what you've done, and you'll say okay, and then you can just hit the exit button and go back out to normal TV, and you'll have all your channels there. And the next stage of the process then for you would be to sort and arrange them into the order that you want and delete the unwanted ones. So that's basically it, how you can perform a satellite auto scan on the Xoro 9000 Plus combo receiver.